Dear student, today we will discuss in the chapter atomic structure. The first topic is Thomson's atomic model. In the series of atomic models, today we are discuss Thomson's model of atoms, which is proposed in 1904. Okay, student. This model was proposed by Thomson, J.J. Thomson. Okay, student. J.J. Thomson proposed that atom consists of uniform sphere of positive charge in which the electron and are distributed more or less uniformly. Dear student, according to Thomson, atom as like a uniform sphere. Atom as like a sphere, as like this. Atom as like a sphere. Okay, and in the sphere, positive charge in the sphere, positive charge like plus plus plus. This is positive charge. Positive charge. Dear student, Thomson proposed that the atom consists of uniform sphere of positive charge. Means atom as like a sphere in which positive charge uniformly distributed. Okay, atom as like a sphere in which positive charge uniformly distributed, and in which electrons are distributed more or less uniformly. Dear student, atom as like a sphere in which positive charge uniformly distributed and electrons are distributed more or less uniformly in the positive charge. Dear student, this model of the atom is known as plum pudding model, rice pudding, raisins pudding models, and watermelon model, because watermelons, a half watermelon here given here, in half watermelon you observe here watermelon's surface as like a sphere, okay, surface of watermelon is as like a sphere, and as like a sphere like the atom also a sphere. So we say here the surface of watermelon is sphere and atom also sphere. In watermelons here red part, that is edible part, is spread over the equally distributed over the watermelon. Similarly, in atom, positive charge distributed uniformly. But you know that the seed which are embedded in watermelon edible part is not uniformly. So, similarly, the electron which are distributed in atoms are more or less uniformly. Okay. So we say that the atomic model as like Thomson's atomic model as like watermelon model. Dear student, again according to Thomson's, atom as like a sphere in which positive charge uniformly distributed and electron distributed in atom more or less uniformly. And this model is known as watermelon model, because when we compare with watermelon model, in watermelon model the surface of half watermelon is as like a sphere, and atom is also, according to Thomson's, atom as like a sphere. As like in watermelon, edible part is spread uniformly in the watermelon. Similarly, positive charge distributed in atom uniformly. As like in watermelon's seed embedded in watermelon less or more uniformly. Similarly, the electrons distributed in atoms in more or less uniformly. So this atomic model is known as watermelon model. Okay, student. Dear student, here some drawback of this model. First drawback is, an important drawback of this model is that the mass of the atoms is considered to be evenly spread over that atoms. Dear student, in atomic model of Thomson says positive charge are uniformly distributed over the atoms. It means he say the mass particle, proton is mass particle. It means mass particle distributed over the atom uniformly. But according to modern theory, it is not right. Mass of atom considered a small volume, that is called nucleus. So it is the first drawback of and major drawback of Thomson's model. Okay, student. It is a static model because it does not reflect the movement of electron. Dear student, in this model, Thomson do not say electrons move around the nucleus or electrons revolve around the nucleus or electron revolve or not. He say that he say only the electron distributed more or less uniformly. Means electron is static in atoms, whereas according to modern models of the atoms, electron revolve to their axis, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, student. It could not explain the stability of an atom. Dear student, the atomic model of Thomson do not prove the stability of atom, do not discuss about the stability of atom, because when positive charge and negative charge is spread out in overall atoms, then atom collapse. Okay, it means atoms are not stable. In Thomson's model, Thomson do not discuss about the stability of their atomic model. So here the drawback of Thomson's atomic model. Dear student, now read your NCERT book. In NCERT given Thomson's model and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.